Hi all, in this video we are going to see how can we access different waveforms in Selenium WebDriver. So when we say different waveforms, we have web edit, web list, web radio buttons, web checkboxes, web buttons and links. So to test all these waveforms or to access all these waveforms, we have one application under test. This is one website, NoPCommerce. Okay, so if you click on register, we will get one registration form where we have radio buttons, we have edit boxes, and we have web list. So we will try to fill this form. Okay, so to fill this form, what we need to do is first we have to find each and every web element. So to find that, what we have to do, we have to inspect it. For example, I have one radio button here, mail. Okay, so I can inspect it. So right click on that particular radio button and click on inspect. So if you see, I have got the dev tools, right? And if you see, I have got the DOM structure, and if I mouse over, the radio button is getting highlighted. And if you see, it has ID, it has value, it has name. So we have already discussed about locator strategy. So we can go for ID, right? So let's do one thing. First we can create one class here. So I will go and create one class, and I will name it as access waveforms. I'll write here access waveforms. So to save time, what I can do is, in the previous class we have written code for launching web browser and invoking application under test, right? So that code I will copy from the previous class file. So this is my previous class file. So I can copy this code and paste it here. So I have to copy main method also. Yeah, so I'll copy this one and paste it here. Okay, and I have to declare the WebDriver reference variable using static keyword, static WebDriver, and here I have to import this WebDriver interface. Okay, and here my application under test will be demo.nopcommerce.com. So I'll take this URL and paste it here. Okay, so first we have to click on register link. So just right here, click on register link. So what I will do, I'll go here and inspect this register link. Okay, so I'll take this. So this is a link because we have anchor tag. So I can write like this: driver dot find element by dot link text. So we have one locator strategy called as link text, and here I can provide the text of that link. And to click, I just have to use click method. Then so once we come here, we have to select male, right? Select male. So male is a radio button. So male is a radio button. So what I have to do, I just have to again go. So I'll click on register, and here I have to again inspect this male. So it has ID, so I can take this ID and I'll write your driver dot find element by dot ID, and I can give the ID here. And I'll give a dot click. Okay. After that, we have to enter first name. Okay. So again, I have to inspect this one. So if you see, it has ID first name. So again, I can go for ID. So if you have ID, always go for ID. Driver dot find element by dot ID, and to enter any value we have to use send keys method. Send keys, and I can say right here test. Then I have to enter last name. So in the same way, I have to inspect the last name edit field. So I have got ID as last name. I can take this one. So I'll write your driver dot find element by dot ID, and I'll write here dot send keys, say automation. Okay. So after that, we have to enter date of birth. So enter date of birth. Okay. So if you see, now we have a day, month and year. Okay. So if I inspect this, if you see, this is a web list. Okay. And it has the options. Okay. And the name is date of birth day. Okay. So I'll take this one. So to select any value from a web list, we have to use select class. So I'll write here select is equal to new select. Then we have to provide the web element here, driver dot find element, and we have to give by dot name, right? So its name is date of birthday. Okay, so I have to import this select class. If you mouse over, it will suggest you to import. It is coming from org.openqa.selenium.support.ui package. So I'll write select by. So we have index, value and visible text. So I'll go by select by visible text. So suppose I want to select year 12, right? So I can write here 12. Okay, so again I'll write select is equal to new select, and this time I will provide the web element of month. Okay, so if I write here, its name is date of birth month. So I'll write here driver dot find element by dot name, and I'll give here date of birth month. Okay, so I can inspect this one. date of birth, month. Okay, and this time I will go for select by value. Okay, suppose I want to select May. So if you see here value is 5, so I can give here 5. So just write here select dot select by value, just give here 5. Then I have to select the year, right? So I can inspect this one. So the name is date of birth here, take this one. Second, write select is equal to new select, and here I have to provide the web element driver dot find element by dot name, give the name of your web list, and just write here select dot select by visible text. Suppose I will give here 1988. Okay, now suppose I have to enter email. So if you see, I have something called as ID and name. Let's go for ID. So I'll take this one and I'll write here enter email. So driver dot find element, I'll give here by dot ID and give here the value of, just write here dot send keys and gives a test automation at gmail.com. Okay, so I have covered everything. Okay, so let's run this and check whether it's working or not. So I'll save this one. So here I have to change the URL. So the URL is this one. I'll paste it here. Now let's run it. So now it will open the Chrome browser. It will maximize the browser window and it will launch my application under test. It clicked on register link. Now it is filling all the details. So if you see, mail has been selected and it has entered first name, last name, date of birth and email. But the browser is not closing, right? So intentionally I didn't close this browser. So if you want to close this browser, what you have to write is, at last you just have to write close browser window. So just write here driver dot quit. So you can write driver dot close, but in that case it will only close the browser, but it will not kill the driver instance. But if you are going for driver dot quit, it will close your browser window and simultaneously it will kill your WebDriver instance as well. Okay, so let's run it one more time. Again I will run it. This time it will close the browser. Okay, so we have got the browser title and it has filled all the registration form. I mean, it has filled all the fields of the registration form. So I hope you are clear on how to access different web forms in Selenium WebDriver. Thank you for watching this video.